going? So who do you think's gonna win? Adele, where are you going?
Nobody.
Where am I going? Yeah. Oh, five?
It's 12 to 4 odds. It's a draw. You think it's a draw, really? You should put your money on it, though. 12 to 4.
Adele's going.
Hey, Philip.
Yeah. How many lots already?
Meron ka ba ang butido? Ha? O, tira mo akong butido, ha?
Dami-dami pa.
Ha? Baka ubusin mo lahat siya, eh.
Sampu pa yung hapon.
Wait, I'll get the serving spoon.
You tried it? Yeah, I tried it. Oh, you I think he laughed after 5 rounds and it's not knockout yet. They're right there on the side, girl. If it's oh, Rina! Pot money!
Oh, pot money! Pot money!
I don't know how much I don't know how much Morales weighed. That makes a difference. If he weighed 132, that might be harder for.
Yeah.
I thought you said.